Here is one of our supplies, A-1500 by Vend Rite Manufacturing. It is a bag. Inside this box, you would get a case when purchasing this with 144 of these units. There is two versions of this. This is what they call the 50-cent bag, and there's also a 75-cent bag. The name is not relevant. You don't have to sell it for those amounts. However, that is just what the industry terms are. This one does not come with a drawstring, where the 75-cent one does come with a drawstring. And this is what the box looks like. So it is to be put in a Vend Rite vending machine, a bag machine that they sell, we sell on our website, which would be a B294. And that is the part number A-1500. We'll go and open one up here so you can see what one looks like inside. So this is what it's going to look like when your customer opens it. Just a plain bag so they can put their clothes in.